I would be need? Cover the gift paper. So I want to cover my gift paper. So first what you find? First we want to find the outer surface area of the box to find the required paper. So outer surface area means which shape is it? It is a cube shape. No sparrows, it is in a cuboid shape. So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? Do you guess? What formula will you apply there? Very good. We have to apply the total surface area of cuboid formula. Why? Because the box is in the cuboid shape. So what is our total surface area of cuboid formula? Do you guess? Yes, our total surface area cuboid formula is to LB plus BH plus LH. Here we have to observe our cuboid formula. To LB plus BH plus LH is our formula. So we have to apply here. So this is your homework. You may find it. Let us see the following picture. Here lateral surface area of the cube and cuboid. Do you know what is the lateral surface area? Very good. Lateral surface area is nothing but we have to eliminate the top and the bottom of the box are the total surface area of the box. We have to eliminate the top and the bottom. Like this example. Here what will happen? Here we have to eliminate the top and the bottom. We have to eliminate or not? Yes. So this is called the lateral surface area. We not consider the top and the bottom. We only consider the front and back and right side and left side. So this is the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of cuboid formula is 2h of L plus B. So do you know how to get it? Okay, I will explain it. So sparrows, do you recognize our formulas? What is the total surface area of the cuboid formula? Very good, that is to LB plus BH plus LH. Next we have to find the lateral surface area of the cuboid formula. So here we have to consider the first face or not? Yes, we have to consider the first face. So we add it. First face plus. We have to eliminate the second face. Here the second face is this. So we have to eliminate the top. So we don't consider this. Next third face. Here we find the third face. Yes or no? It is third or not? Yes. So add the third face plus. Where do you observe the fourth face here? Here we have to observe the fourth face. So we may add the fourth face also. Plus next sixth face. Where do you observe the sixth face? Here we observe the sixth face. So add the sixth face also. So we may add it. First finding the surface area. First find the lateral surface area of this box. So here this gold color is indicates the length and this green color is indicates the height and this red color is indicates the breadth. Here is say similar to the total surface area of the cuboid also. So here how many measurements? 2, that is L into H. So LH plus next BH. Here we have to observe the BH. So B into H. So BH. Next is third is opposite to fourth. So fourth is also very good. Fourth is also BH. Plus sixth face. We have to consider the fifth face. No. Why? Because we have to eliminate the top and the bottom. That's why we are not considered the 2 and 5. So next sixth face. Here the one is opposite to that. So one is LH. So LH. So here we have to repeat that 2 times. That LH is repeated into 2 times. So 2 LH. Plus BH is repeated also 2 times. So 2 BH. So in these two, which are common? Do you guess it? Which are common? Very good. 2 and H are the common. So 2H of L plus B is our total surface area formula. Is it right? No, it is a lateral surface area formula. So do you understanding what is the lateral surface area? Okay, next lateral surface area of the cube. So lateral surface area of the cube is this. This is the lateral surface area. Here what we observe? Very good. We have to tell the top and the bottom. So it is a lateral surface area. So like this also, in the cube also we may find it, that is a 4L square. So we may find in here the silver color is indicates the length and the red color is indicates the height and the blue color is indicates the breadth. It is similar to the total surface area of cube. So let us find, we have to substitute the B and H into the L only. Why? Very good, because in all sides are equal in cube. So we have to consider that by getting our formula. So let us see L into L, L square. So third phase, L into L, L square. So fourth phase, L into L, L square. So sixth phase, L into L, L square. So L square plus L square plus L square. What we get? Very good. 4L square we get. So I can tell total by finding the total surface area. I can explain the two purposes, that finding the by using the net diagram and by using the cuboid formula. So I use by net diagram, I will be fine. So you may find by using the formula of the lateral surface area of the cuboid. So do you understand? You may find the lateral surface area of the cuboid formula using by finding the lateral surface area of the cube. Okay, do you understand it? Here in this picture, look at the picture. In this picture also we may observe the cuboid lateral surface area of the box and the cube lateral surface area. Do you understand a lateral surface area? Okay, I can explain it clearly. Observe the box. Suppose I want to cover this lateral surface area only for gifting my friend. I don't want to cover the top and the bottom. How to find? Which formula we have to apply here? Very good. We have to apply the lateral surface area formula of cube or cuboid. Excellent, correct answer. That is cuboid lateral surface area. So here it is in a cuboid shape. That's why we have to apply the lateral surface area formula. Do you understand it, sparrows? Okay, let us see the following picture. Volume. Do you know what is a volume? That is nothing but I can explain it by using the story. I can saw one day the conversation between two ladies by showing the bowl. One lady asked to the another lady, is it as a sufficient? Is as a sufficient for the cooking 5 members rice? Is that capacity of that? The other lady said, yes ma'am, it has that capacity. So what will happen in this? In this story, the capacity represents the volume. Do you understand it? What is the capacity represents? Very good, volume. So what is volume? Do you know it? Okay, I will explain it. Volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by the three-dimensional object is called the volume. So I can hoping you are not understanding. So I can explain it by using this simple activity. So take a glass jar. Take a jar and fill with water. And fill with water. Do you observe it carefully what I am doing? I will ask some questions after the class. So here we fill the water of the jar. So we may place it into a container. And take a cube shaped object. In this object there are 3 measurements that are length, breadth, height. The length is 5 centimeters and the breadth is 5 centimeters and the height also 5 centimeters. So 5 into 5 into 5. Our formula of the volume is 5 into 5 into 5. Let us see that. Yes, our formula is L into B into H of the cuboid. But what is the formula of the cube? L square. So here 5 into 5 into 5. L cube is our formula. So 5 into 5 into 5. We get 125. So we test it. It will be get right or wrong. So let us see what I am doing. What happened here? Very good. The overflowing water will be come out. So take the jar out. And the container overflowing water will be taken into a jar. And we measure it. How much do we get? We get the 125 milliliters. So let us find. We get the 125 milliliters. So whereas I can explain one thing. These milliliters is equal to centimeters. So how much the cube will be need? The length is 5. So 5 into the breadth is 5. 5 into the height is also 5. So why here all the sides are equal, all the dimensions are equal? Very good, because in this cube all measurements are equal. That's why these are all equal. So we may test it. It will be get right or wrong. So 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125 centimeters. We get 125 centimeter cube. Cube is the most important. So here, so we get the cube here. So what is that? What is a cube? In cube all sides are equal. So do you understand in my class? So we get how much? 125 centimeters here. So it is similar to we get the liters of the volume of the cube. Yes, it is similar. So we get correct answer. So we feel happy. So do you understand how to find the volume? Okay, let us see the following picture. What happened here? Do you understanding the volume? Volume, again I can repeating. Volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by the solid shaped object. Do you understanding it? What is the volume? I can repeat again, you may think. Very good. Volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by the three-dimensional object. Here, what is the formula of the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. And then what is the formula of cube? Do you guess what is the formula of cube? Very good, L cube. So here we observe one thing, Sparrows. We may finding the surface area, we using the squares. But we may finding the volume, we get the cube. Why? Do you know why we have to represent the cube and square? Okay, because in this we will multiply L into B into H. But here we have to multiply the two alphabets only, two measurements only. That is the difference. Do you understand it? Why? So let us see the following picture. By showing this, the concept is here the girls will be sitting on the floor. And these the cube bottles and cuboid bottles filled with the water. So I can explain the difference between area and the volume. So here what happened? The girls will occupy the floor only. But here we get the fill with water. The volume is occupy the height also. Do you understanding it? It occupy the height also, but the area occupy the two dimensions only. That is length and breadth. But in the volume, it occupy the height also. Do you understanding it? Okay, let us see the following picture. An Olympic swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid. The 50 meters long and 25 meters width and the 3 meters depth. So here the three measurements are different. So what is the shape of it? What is the shape of this swimming pool? Do you guess? Excellent answer, Sparrows. It is in the cuboid shape. So cuboid shape, which formula we have to apply? By finding the capacity of the water. Very good. Here we find the capacity of water. We use the volume of the cuboid. What is the formula of that? Very good. That is L into B into H. Volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Let us see the following picture. Concepts. Concepts is nothing but in this session. After the class, the ending of the class, we have to ready to answer that. First one is, what is 2D and what is 3D? What is the difference between 2D and 3D? And what is the area and what is the volume? What is a cube and cuboid? What is the TSA and LSA of cube and cuboid? I can revise again. TSA is nothing but the total surface area. And the LSA is nothing but the lateral surface area. So what is a cube? What is the volume of cube and cuboid? Let us find what is the volume of the cuboid. Do you understand what is the formula of the volume? Let us repeat again. Okay, the volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by the three-dimensional object. A solid object is called a 3D shape. Hello? Hello, Sparrow? Hello? Okay, our concepts of TSA means? Hello? Hello, Sparrow? So, what is the TSA and LSA of cube and cuboid? TSA is the total surface area and LSA means lateral surface area. In the volume of the cube and cuboid, we already do one activity to find the volume of cube. So, let us, by using these formulas, we applied in our daily life situations. That is, for example, already I gave you an example for the gift packing. Like this we may observe in our Hello, Sparrow. Hello. Hello, Sparrow. Okay, by using these formulas, we are already ready to apply the situations. How to apply in our daily life situations? By finding the volume or the surface area. Do you able to ready to find the surface areas and the volumes? Are you able to ready it? Okay, very good. I hoping you are understanding my class. You are understood my class. So let us see the following picture. MC questions. MC questions is nothing but the multiple choice questions. So I can give you 3 questions, simple 3 questions to you. You may choose the correct answer. A cube has how many vertices? Examples 3, 8, 4, 0. There are 3 vertices or 8 vertices or 4 vertices or no vertices. Very good. Cube has 8 vertices. Very good, Sparrows. You are brilliant. So, next question is, if all the edges are equal in 3D objects, then what is it called? What we call it if all the dimensions are equal in 3D? Very good. The examples I have been given. Next we tell the answer. That is cube or triangle or cuboid or noun. Very good. Cube. Why? Because in cube all sides are equal. That's why all dimensions are equal. Hello, Sparrow. Hello. Okay. That's why in the cube all sides are equal. So, in the three dimensions all sides are equal. Hello. Hello. Hello, Sparrow. What is your name? So, The all the edges are equal in a cube. Cuboid, cuboid, all sides are equal. All dimensions are equal in very good cube. So the formula of the LSA of cuboid is LSA of cuboid. Think sparrows. What is the LSA of cuboid formula? 4L square or 6L square to LH to H of L plus B or to LB plus BH plus LH. What is the LSA of cuboid formula? Do you recognize your formula, sparrows? Excellent. Very good. Wonderful answer. That is to H into LA of L plus B. What is our what is the LSA of cuboid? Very good. To H of L plus B. So that is our lateral surface area of the cuboid formula. Do you understand it? Very good. You are all passed in the multiple choice questions. So let us see the picture. Assignment. Assignment is nothing but now I do one activity by using cube object. You may make the cuboid shaped object and find it. Find the volume of the cuboid shape and we may measure when we are doing the activity. These two are similar or not. It is get correct answer or not. So that is this is our thing. So this is your assignment. You may complete, compulsory you may make it. So sparrows, let us revise our formulas. Okay, what is that? Total surface area of the cuboid. What is that? Very good. To LB plus BH plus LH is our total surface area of the cuboid. Know these formulas, sparrows. Okay, next lateral surface area of the cuboid. What is the lateral surface area of cuboid? Very good. To H of L plus B. So next, total surface area of the cube. What is that? 6A square or 6L square. Next, lateral surface area of the cube. What is the formula? 4A square. Next we have to go into the volume. Volume of the cuboid is, what is the formula? Very good. L into B into H or of volume of the cube. What is the formula of the L into B into H? What is that? It is the formula of the volume of the cuboid. So let us see the volume of the cube formula. That is side into side is A cube or L cube. This is the formula, sparrows. You may note down these are all the importance in our chapter. By learning these formulas, by learning this chapter, these formulas are most important. So you may note down these formulas. Okay, sparrows, do you understand my class? Okay, today's session our class is completed. So let us revise all the things in your minds. So our class is over. So I would be thanks to my secretary sir and I would be thanks to my principal madam Ujjwal Kumari madam and my all the teachers, my escort teachers Sunita madam and Lalita madam and Jyoti madam. All my teachers, thank you to all, one and all. Thank you. Bye, sparrows.